Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about inside computers, and in today's class we will learn about apps. It's favorite of everyone. We love apps, we download new apps on our phone, and we are going to learn a little bit more about it. In the previous class, we learned about games, in which we learned that games are another type of application software. It takes time to create games. It is a software program written by someone, and you are the user of the game. Now, before I start, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel by subscribing. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses like this. You simply need to click subscribe button if you are watching this on a YouTube channel, on YouTube. Let's begin. Now, every day we use a lot of apps, especially on your phone. The word apps is a short form for application. We download apps very similar to games, we install and we start using. These apps or applications are nothing but a computer program written by someone like you or me, and used by thousands and in some cases millions of users. Similar to games, this is also a very complex software program which captures a lot of data. If you look at Facebook or your Snapchat or Instagram, Twitter, they capture a lot of data, they send a lot of data. Take an example of WhatsApp. We send a lot of text messages, video messages, images. All of those are great. All those apps are great examples of a software. In majority of the cases, when we use a software like Chrome, right, we usually install it in our phone. In some cases, we don't really have to install it. We open it in a browser and we visit a website. But behind the scene, those are still a software program. Somebody has written it. That's all in today's class. Now, if you have any question, feel free to post in the community forum on our platform, my.codemode.us, and someone like me or another teacher or another student like you would be happy to answer. Now, please take time to solve the quiz. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Happy learning.